If you're tired of creating YouTube chapters manually and having to watch your entire video, I'm going to show you how to automatically create YouTube chapters with AI. And I think that it's one of the most key things to do, especially if you're trying to show up on Google search. Now, every single video that I've created on YouTube has been shown up on Google search. And with that, there's key moments involved. All of these key moments that you see here have actually been created by me with my AI YouTube chapter creator. And this is something that everyone can do. It's completely free and there's no reason not to do it because number one, it helps your audience, it helps you, and it seems like search engines love it. So let's go ahead and jump in and figure out how we can do this together. And again, all you need is completely free tools. If you want this exact prompt, you can go ahead and grab it in the description below. I'll make sure to send it over to you. And you'll also get weekly advice on YouTube tips that I'm doing every single week. So in order for this to work, we're going to be inside of our YouTube analytics dashboard. And this is when you're uploading your video. So you can do this for videos that are already published and you want to optimize them further, or this is for videos that you're just uploading. So you can grab a share link, which is what we're going to need. So once you have this share link, we're going to go ahead and grab this here. You're going to go to a website called tactic.io tools YouTube transcript. I'm going to leave all that in the description below for you. So go ahead and paste your URL for that video and then get video transcript. And the reason why I'm using this tool to make sure that I have the perfect YouTube chapters is because what it's going to do is also going to give us some timestamps or the time duration with the transcript. And that's exactly what we need for this video. So you're going to go ahead and grab the transcript or copy it here. You can also download it just in case, but just click on copy. Okay, so we're going to use the free version of Claude. You can also do this with ChatGPT or any other AI model that you're using. And I'm going to go ahead and paste in the transcript here. Then I'm going to use my chapter prompt that I've optimized. So it's going to be a lot of information, but all you need to do is just copy and paste, which is the beauty of it. So what it's going to do is it's going to give us a role. So I'm giving it a role as a YouTube chapter generator. The task is to generate accurate and well-placed chapters for YouTube videos based on the provided video transcript, the topic and length. So what I'm also doing is I'm telling it to make sure that it pays close attention on the content discussed so it can optimize the video chapters. And it's also going to make sure that there is no repetition. So let's go ahead and add this into Claude and see how it turns out. Also, just to be on the safe side, even though the transcript has a time duration, just go ahead and add the duration right here at the bottom next to the transcript. Let's go ahead and click on enter. All right, so now we have perfectly optimized YouTube chapters that you can add into your videos. So you can see that we have the introduction. We have when I'm talking about the actual tool that I'm using, I'm telling them how to build their own GPT. I'm talking about prompt engineering basics, naming it, refining. I'm also telling them about how to test it. So that was in all of that video. I double checked and crossed everything out. So everything is matching to the video. So this is an easy way for you to go all the way back to your old content and just add all of this YouTube SEO data. Just use this prompt, try it out, and go ahead and optimize all of your old videos. If you want to learn how to create your own prompts, just like I have, then make sure you watch this next video that's going to show you how to do prompt engineering as a content creator. So I'll see you guys in that video. Bye.